Hello, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the Chocolate Break. Really want to start this episode by talking to you about tweezers.
No.
You don't want to have the tweezer conversation?
I don't.
They need tweezers.
Nope.
No?
They need chocolate.
Oh, they do, don't
Chocolate's
they?
better than tweezers.
Well, I have a chocolate. Would you like to see my chocolate?
Okay.
Because, I mean, you're not down with my tweezers.
Nope.
So we have some Chihuahua. Do you like Chihuahuas?
Not to eat.
Well, you better, because you're going to have one.
I just noticed. You know what's really cute on here?
Huh.
So you've got a gingerbread man, and he's in like a chocolate bath.
Of death?
And he's got little slippers that he took off before he got in the bath.
That's implausible. How would he fit them on his feet?
I don't know. They are rather small slippers.
I mean, look at him. He's smiling. He's in a bath and he's wearing a freaking thing on him.
He has a nice mustache.
This is from... Oh, great. This is from Carlsbad, California. At first I thought it said Oakland. That was where the oh great came from.
Ooh.
I'm opening... Oh, great.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Wow, that smells like gingerbread. This should be for the Christmas episode. But it's not. Look at that. Look at all the little pleasure bumps it's got on it. Woo! And here's the chocolate.
Oh. That smells a lot like gingerbread.
That smells strongly of gingerbread. And I miss gingerbread.
They say different things on them.
What do they say?
Chew, wow, warm,
Fingerprint.
sweet, smile, adore, devour, melt, tease, dream, love, joy, giggle. Wow.
I'm gonna cut it. Wow, there's a lot in that.
I really don't like the smell of it.
Well, I hope you enjoy the taste of it, because you're gonna eat some, lady.
Well, hopefully it'll taste better than what it smells like.
I think it's gonna taste like what it's supposed to taste like. Ready, set, go. Get it before the dog gets it. If the dog gets it, the dog will die.
Foul.
He'll die.
He knows better.
No, he doesn't.
He does, because it doesn't smell good. Well, I can't see it because it's too dark. Oh, it's up there by the box. I'm not eating it.
Even though I like grabbed it with my foot?
Especially
Okay,
if you
okay.
grabbed it with your foot.
Well, here.
No, there's another piece right over here. I'll just take this piece.
Ready?
Steady.
Imbibe.
Boop. Wow. Oh. That doesn't bother me. The taste of this, however, bothers me. It's almost got a clove.
I quite enjoy it. I'm giving it a 5. No? This tastes like Christmas. This tastes exactly like Christmas.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, what does your Christmas taste like?
Delicious, and this is not delicious.
Bowel movements.
You're being rude.
This tastes like Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. It tastes like orange peel and cinnamon and ginger and clove and I don't know, it tastes a little bit of Jesus in there.
Careful.
That's the crunchy parts, maybe. I don't know. It's pretty good. I like that.
I just don't like those flavors.
Oh, this makes me want to like put up a Christmas tree and stuff. Although my throat is starting to burn. Is yours?
No.
Yeah, that's the Jesus reference.
You're being punished for trying to reference the Jesus and the
Now I can't
candy
talk. I
bar.
lost my voice. Yeah.
No.
I'm giving that a solid 5, and you're giving it a 0. Wow. It's like there's little rice.
Do not like the clovey, gingery taste. It wouldn't matter if it was in this or in something else.
Well, you mentioned in a previous episode that you didn't like the Turkish Delight because it gave you this like potpourri thing, and I could see you getting there with this.
Yeah.
It reminds me of like, yeah, my mom used to get this potpourri that had cinnamon sticks and like orange peel and stuff, and it smelled like Christmas. And yeah, This tastes
And
like...
now you can taste it.
That stuff didn't taste. I tasted the water.
You did?
Oh yeah, I couldn't help it.
Gross.
It smells so freaking good. I'm not gross. I'm your husband. Grab yours.
But you tasting potpourri water is gross. Now we know we can't have nice things, not because of the kids.
Because I tasted potpourri water.
You tasted potpourri water.
Well, oh damn. What is this? It has sparkles on it.
TCHO.
Cho.
It's mint chip gelato. Dark chocolate with mint gelato.
I don't want to be let down by that because that looks and I'm like, this better be freaking amazing.
Hopefully.
Where's it from?
From Berkeley.
Oh, wow.
That's why it's organic.
Oh,
like
no.
Berkeley's organic.
This is going to taste like crap, isn't it?
It's like made with organic. It means organic.
I like things organic. I wash my face with bees. Uh-oh. Well, it has different textures. I like this. This definitely is getting style.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate mint gelato.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's not even like flat.
Yeah, it's got a neat look to it.
I mean, it's got all kinds of little lines cut into it.
Yeah.
It's like very...
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look, it's like white.
Wow. Cut one of those in half.
Oh no, you have to eat it.
Oh,
You would make me do that.
I never make such demands. It looks like vermiculite or clamshells or teeth.
It's teeth.
It's teeth.
Mint flavored teeth.
Mint organic teeth. Cheers.
Cheers. It's like dark chocolate with a splash of mouthwash.
It's not even that.
I feel like mouthwashy.
I don't even want to know how much that cost. What a ripoff. It looks so rad on the package.
Well, yeah, the package looks like a nice scoop of ice cream, right?
I mean,
The chocolate seems to be of good quality. But
it's like the last one. The last one was gingerbread. It reeked of gingerbread. Did it taste like gingerbread? You didn't like it, but it had that kind of taste to it, right? Yeah. This doesn't make me think of that. I'm getting
mint chocolate.
It's
not
chocolate with puffs and mint liqueur. It's definitely got cream de menthe in it. Organic or not.
I don't expect to eat something and feel like my breath just got fresher because it was so minty. And it's not even really like it was, I don't know how to explain it.
I would stir something like this into coffee. Or want it, I would say something like this. Like we went to Ghirardelli way back, Ghirardelli. And when they made that tornado or whatever they call it.
So good.
And they took a little Ghirardelli square and they asked you what kind you wanted and they put it in it and they blended it in. Oh man, it was like in a shake. I would totally like that in something like that. This seems like it would go good while having some coffee, like a straight shot. And because of that, I will give it 2 out of 5.
I'll agree. I'll give it a 2.
It's dark. It's not insanely bitter.
No, it's not overly bitter, but yeah, for me, just like I don't like the whole like I'm eating dark chocolate while drinking a little bit of mouthwash kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of went here or there. I've still got the minty going on, but yeah.
All right.
Cool to bring that to the table. And as always, if you have requests for us to try, please do request them in the comments below.
And if we can find them, we will try them.
We are still looking for the green and blacks organic. If anybody has seen that around, I think possibly we might find that at a
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods, yeah. But
yeah, we'll have to go there.
yeah, we'll go look there. So we haven't forgotten about you.
No.
All right, well, enjoy
Your chocolate.
your chocolate. No.
Yeah.
If you get hungry, don't eat faces. But if you get really hungry, go to the deli and go to where they have the chicken, and you know, like where they have the cooked chicken, like fried chicken. Go in there and they're like, oh, what would you like? Would you like the, what do they usually ask? Like a breast and wing combo or a thigh and drumstick combo?
Usually it's, do you want fried or grilled?
Fried or grilled. It's like, I just want the face. I want chicken face. Just do that and just watch what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.